Yo, what's up guys, it's the Bogan Divers. We're here tonight at the dumpster, just here. And it's not a great deal, it's just a load of crap. We actually grabbed the bags out of there. Yeah, it was pretty disgusting. Anyway, we've got 3 here. We're gonna go through this small one first, see how we go. Anyway guys, we're back to uploading. Live streaming wasn't going so well, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. We're gonna start with the smallest bag first. See how we go. Straight off the bat, can't see a great deal in here other than bags, wet cloths. Like that's soaking wet full of cloths. Oh, it's really windy. So if you can hear the wind tonight, guys, it is so windy. It's not funny. There's a bunch of like wet ass pamphlets down there.
Oh, they broke my coat hanger, brie.
Broken coat hanger, you know, it works. Alright, well that bag seems to be empty, so what we're going to do is we're going to move on to the first bag. We're going to try and do this as quickly as possible tonight because the other night sort of went south. Shh, we're going to be quiet. Stealthy like this, stealthy. Here's the next bag. I actually heard something heavy in there. Sound like a... Oh, it is a bottle. That's no fun. So this is the second bag for tonight, guys. Oops, sorry about that. There's a whole like thing here filled with covers and whatnot. See if there's any games in there. No games in there, so we'll just throw that out. Oh, dude. Oh, what's that? That's first find for tonight, guys. Nintendo DS cover with a microfiber cloth and
Stylus.
a Mario stylus. That's pretty sweet. Oh,
That's a Mario.
It's a 3DS cover. Nice as. Sweet as. Keep that. Let's keep digging. If you guys are liking it, please subscribe. And also like, drop us a comment if you see anything we don't see. And we'll come back and we'll see if we can find it in the next video. See how we go. That looks like it's it for that bag. Unfortunately, we did find something tonight, which was pretty good.
We still got one bag though.
But we still got one bag to go. Hopefully. This is where all the goodies are. Trip into it.
Game case.
More game cases. Oh, there's heaps.
Amps.
Are they decent?
Yeah, they're in good condition.
That's pretty cool. Oh, there's a few of them.
Game case.
Sweet as.
Always something.
It's normally a good sign. Game cases. Haven't found any game case in ages.
Bag inside of that.
Oh, what's this? Oh, what? Mark of the Outsider t-shirt, small. Oh, they were t-shirt bags.
Unfortunately, all empty.
That's no good.
So, nothing in that bag.
Anyway, guys, we're going with the main bag now.
That's a huge meat bag.
Hopefully we find at least one more cool thing. Oh, there's a nice... Nah, that's gross as. Covered in coffee. Look at that. That's gross as.
Yeah.
Yeah, leave that in there. Let's try and get through these bags as quickly as possible.
Got all the nooks and grannies.
Wait, hold up. Oh, I'm not sure. No, I didn't see anything. Must be in the eyes. Now, I don't know if you guys see all the gift cards and everything, but there's no money on them, like, ever.
There was that one time, but
There was that one time where I found a play voucher and there was money on it, and I was so stoked. It was crazy. Well, that looks like it's it for tonight, guys. We actually didn't find a great deal, but we found some pretty cool stuff, which is pretty awesome. We've got
Four.
four
Yep, four.
four
in good
DVD
condition.
covers in decent condition. DS case with the stylus and a microfiber cloth. Sorry, 3DS extra large case. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more. That's the Bogan Divers out.
We out.